Hey y'all, well, what in the devil is going on here in Jesus' name? Praying for some people, children. They mind, I'm some people. Okay, y'all, it's grocery day. Sister and I have to make several stops. We are at Aldi because my grocery stores wasn't grocery storing today. I'm not exactly sure what was happening. I opened the trunk so you can get the bags. This is Mom's car. There's bags in my car. You probably need a few bags in your car, just in case. Okay, she's like, no. People get their own car, they don't want nothing. In your car, they need everything. Anywho, we're gonna stop in Aldi just to get a few things. I don't think I need a lot in here, but we are going to shop around. I did check their ad today to see if there was anything that I could use. There were a couple things, and it's fairly close to Sister's work, so this will get us situated, and then we're gonna head to Food Line, I think, for regular groceries. I look what? Do I really? Is it flowing behind me? Oh my God. It's flowing. Look at God. He want me to be blessed. I don't even have to put my quarter in because it's already a quarter in there. I get to save my quarter. There it is. Pearl. Pretty obvious.
Cucumbers are good. Ma, I'm trying to get into my salad era. Pineapple?
Yep. Okay, what else do I have?
Ma, why didn't you get any strawberries?
Because they're not on sale and they're not in season.
Not in season?
Alrighty, you guys, so this is what I got from Aldi. We're back from the grocery store. We actually went to Food Lion, but I didn't film that. This, I got 1 pineapple, 1 thing of oranges, it's 4 pounds, 10 pounds of potatoes. Jackson put some of those in the Instant Pot. 1 thing of sausage and 1 cucumber. That was $19. So my budget for the week was $20. But Alana gave me $20, so I had $40. Hey, Mom. So I headed over to Food Lion, picked up eggs. She wanted ranch. I needed some coffee, and then 1 pound only of cherries, and that was $18.20. $18.20. So this is what I got for my grocery haul for this week, and this. Now, I'm not upset about it because I was going through and doing some things in the cabinet. And what I realized is I have a ton of stuff I need to use. So I have 3 things of nutritional yeast. Guess what we're using tonight? Nutritional yeast. I've got to do this, right? I got to get rid of some of this stuff. Lots of spices and stuff that I just need to not keep up here. Here, I'll share. One of the things I'm realizing with this pantry challenge, as I watch other videos, is that you're supposed to use the stuff you have, right? I've been picking up a few things here and there. So I've got to make it so that I am using up the things that are in my pantry. So tonight we're having potatoes. And because I struggle with breakfast foods, we're going to put some sausage and some eggs in the oven to go ahead and cook. Because I need to have meals in the morning, and sometimes I don't have anything, and sometimes we don't have leftovers. So we're gonna do a little meal prep, and we did not do good with meals of the week this week. It's just we just not good at it. We'll keep trying, but we didn't get anything filmed for meals of the week. Although I'll put one thing in here Jackson did. to show you guys. But we're going to bring you along with some meal prep tonight. So we're going to get some potatoes in the oven. We're going to get some sausage in the oven. We're going to get some eggs in the oven. And then we're going to see what's in the fridge that we can go ahead and clean out. Because if there's anything we can clean out, we may be able to make some meals. So I'm going to get everything pulled out of the fridge, which is looking real slim up in the refrigerator right now. So I don't think we're going to have a ton of stuff in the fridge. So I'm going to get everything. Well, the kids are going to help me. Everybody start pulling something out, y'all, so that we can get our life together here. So I'm going to put you guys up on a tripod real fast so I can get the sausage, the eggs, and the potatoes in the oven. Oh, give me the little one too. Yeah. One for eggs to put the egg trays on. One for the sausage and one for the potatoes. Find egg trays down here. Down here is where we need to find the egg trays. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Are you doing like hash browns?
No. No. No, the red one, not the red one, because they make them like the sausage shape. Yeah, thank you. Ready, you guys? So here I am, just working to get these sausages on the tray. One of the areas that we have issues with are getting in enough proteins, and so I thought sausages would be a good addition for proteins. Sometimes I have a hard time getting any meals in just because I'm always busy, always doing things, and then sister and I are trying to get in way more protein. So I'm trying to get some eggs into these round trays. And so that's what I'm doing here. If I can get it all in the oven, it makes it a whole lot easier than me trying to stand over the stove to get it done. So I am going to just use a dozen of these eggs. They come 32 a package to get them in. During this pantry challenge, one of the things that I am recognizing is I still have so much stuff to use up. And even though I did give myself a small grocery budget during the week, I still need to use up the majority of the things that are already in our fridges, freezers, pantries, cabinets, those types of things. So I did a little clean out of the pantry. You'll see a video on that a little later. But I wanted to make sure that I was using up what I had. Like, who has 3 things of nutritional yeast? Nobody should have that much. But at one point, we were doing kind of more of the whole foods, which is what my doctor wants me to come back to. So I have to make some adjustments in that, and we'll be able to use up the nutritional yeast with no problem very soon. What do we have?
Dishes.
So here I'm just getting these items into the oven. Again, it just helps me to have the oven work for me while I'm doing other things. And we still have to put up all of the groceries that we got. Sister's working on dishes behind me, so you can't see that. And here I recognize that the glass is about to fall out of the stove because we have a loose handle. We try to keep it tightened, but we have to keep doing it over and over again. So I got that situated, and here I am now about to slice up these potatoes. Now here I'm trying to do my best to recreate those potatoes that Jackson made last week to a total fail. They did not come out the way that he did them, but I know how I'll adjust these for next time.
I had some for breakfast this morning, and they were okay. They just didn't taste like Jackson's. He used a lot more oil and butter than I used. Of course, I was trying to be liberal on my application. Jackson did not care about any of that. And so mine didn't come out as tasty, but I will fix that for the next time. I did use oil, but I didn't use as much. They were not as flavorful either, but I did not overly salt them. I just am trying to work on, naturally lower my cholesterol without using a ton of salt. I used quite a lot of ranch, but you still didn't get the ranch flavor there. So I'll fix these up for next time.
Okay, this can go in on that bottom shelf.
After we got everything in the oven, all that was left was now to go ahead and get the groceries and things put up. We were excited to be able to have some stuff that we, refill and restock our fridge with the things that we use quite regularly. We're trying to increase protein, so that was helpful there.
Alright, so our maker heads are finished. We have here our dozen eggs. Over here we have the sausage patties. And we have our potatoes. And for dinner, we used up 2 boxes of like the steakums. And then we used up some broccoli we had in the fridge. That's some penne pasta that we had left over. Some onions, minced garlic, some white sauce, and a little bit of cheese sauce. And this is what we'll be having for dinner. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload from us. And thank you for coming. Bye.